Hi. How's it going today?
Really well.
I'm Susie Weishak. I'm so excited to be here today with Off the Grid at 105 Valencia. It's making one of their early debuts here, just for a few hours, making their homemade bread.